Hi guys, Brooke here with Lost Oak Winery. Today we are going to be making our red wine berry spritzer. This is absolutely fantastic for summertime, and we're kind of in that spot where we are like transitioning into fall, so we're going to start looking into some fall time drinks. So in here I have a berry flavored seltzer water. Fantastic. A lot of the times you can find something like this in a bubbly form or LaCroix. So what we're gonna do is there's 2 cans of our bubbly in here. We're gonna add half of our Dolce Rouge red wine. If you're not familiar with our Dolce Rouge, it is a sweet red. It's very delicious if it's chilled. Fantastic drink. So in here, I have some pre-muddled frozen blueberries. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a scoop of this to the inside of our glass. I'm gonna top it with some ice. And then we pour our mixture over the frozen blueberries. And there you have it, our blueberry mixer. Enjoy. Cheers.